はい、こんにちは。Let's start making a short Japanese sentence from zero. Okay, today we can start with this is a pen. This is a pen. Yes, that's a very simple English sentence. Okay, how to say this is a pen in Japanese? Maybe you can check your dictionary to find out this is これ、これ。Then is this. And a pen is just a pen. Okay, in Japanese language, we don't say a in Japanese. We just say pen. In Japanese language, we don't care much about this kind of a or an or the. Okay, so you might say これです pen. これです pen. But unfortunately, this is not quite right because the Japanese sentence has a unique word order. Okay, typical Japanese sentence start with topic, followed by は, followed by noun, followed by particle, and end with verb. Okay, topic は noun, particle, verb. Those are the typical Japanese sentence structure. Of course, there are many variations, but let's get used to the foundation. Okay, so if I follow this sentence structure, this is a pen will be, this is a pen. So this a pen is, sounds a bit weird for English native speakers, but this a pen is a Japanese word order. Please get used to it. The biggest differences between English and Japanese sentences is verb. Many Japanese sentences end with verb. Okay, that's the main thing. Okay, so you can say this is これ, then followed by は, followed by pen, followed by this. So これは pen this. Then Japanese full stop, small tiny circle. You don't have to worry about a particle because particle is like a prepositions, like a in, on, at, to, from. So as you can see, the original sentence doesn't have prepositions. So this time you can ignore particle. So this is a pen is これはペンです。これはペンです。Okay. How do you say is this a pen? Is this a pen? Yes, if you watch the previous videos, it's easy to understand. That's right. か is a question marker in Japanese. Okay, か is a question marker. So all you need is to add か to the end of the sentence. You don't have to worry about a Japanese sentence word order in order to create yes or no questions. That's a good point. これはペンですか? これはペンですか? Is this a pen? Okay, this time let's go a bit further. Is this a pen or pencil? Is this a pen or pencil? Let's make that sentence. Okay, is this a pen or pencil? Okay, today's keyword is or. We say それとも、それとも、それとも means or. Okay, then pencil. Okay, pencil is 鉛筆、鉛筆、鉛筆、鉛筆 means pencil. Okay, so you might say これはペンですかそれとも鉛筆ですか You can say that way. これはペンですかそれとも鉛筆ですか Maybe you might want to say これはペンそれとも鉛筆ですかこれはペンそれとも鉛筆ですか そうですね。うん。It makes sense, but a native speaker tend to say, これはペンですか？うん。And with the first sentence, question sentence first, then followed by それとも鉛筆ですか？うん。これはペンですか？それとも鉛筆ですか？ Okay. So let's practice a little bit more. How do you say, is this a pen or cup? Is this a pen or cup? It sounds a bit weird, but for practice purpose, please bear with it. Is this a pen or cup? Okay, how do you say cup in Japanese? Okay, uh, cup is cup. Cup. We say cup. Okay, let's say, is this a pen or cup? これはペンですか？それともカップですか？これはペンですか？それともカップですか？Okay, one more sentence. How would you say, is this a pen or ballpoint pen? Is this a pen or ballpoint pen? Okay, ballpoint pen in Japanese is ball pen. Ball pen. ボールペン。Okay, let's say, is this a pen or a ballpoint pen? これはペンですか？それともボールペンですか？これはペンですか？それともボールペンですか？ Okay. So, let's make it clear. If question sentence is これはペンですか？それとも鉛筆ですか？ Answering sentence would be これは鉛筆です。これは鉛筆です。or just say 鉛筆です。鉛筆です。also これはペンですか？それともカップですか？これはペンですか？それともカップですか？ In that case, the answer will be これはカップです。これはカップです。or you can say これはペンです。or これはペンです。It depends on what it is. Okay, today we focus on A or B question. So we start from this is a pen, then which is これはペンです。Then yes, no question is これはペンですか？ Then A or B question is これはペンですか？それとも鉛筆ですか？I hope you understand today's Japanese sentence from zero. If you have any questions, please let me know. はい、ありがとうございました。